Hello everyone. In this video, I'ma show you how to manually locate the click location to auto-click ads in TrafficBotPro. I'll take the Browse Directly task as an example. Please make sure that your screen scale rate is 100%. Then add the task name and the target URL. For other settings of this page, you can keep the default or set up what you prefer. Next, find Custom Operation. Right-click and add modules. Add a sleep time to wait for the website load. Then, add a click module. I'll show you how to use XPath to search the element. Generally, some ads are in a frame. So the value of XPath should be like this. ID is an attribute in a frame and XXX is the value of ID. After that, save it and click here to find whether the element is searched. Next, change JavaScript click to real mouse click. When you switch to real mouse click, you can set the mouse down time in milliseconds. Usually you don't need to modify this, just use the default value. The default position is the element center. You can also set up the coordinate manually. After we click Get Element Count and Find button, we can see a red line box here. The top left of this red line box is the start point, it is 0, 0. I'll use the snipping tool to get the coordinate. Snip from the left top corner to the point you want to click. The resolution of this picture is A times B. So the x-coordinate is A and the y-coordinate is B. Then you can add some other operations as you wish. Lastly, don't forget to save. Then, click Run to run the task. Alright, that should be all. Thanks for watching.